Yo, that's classy. Classy.
She said bonjour, I said ça va. Fishy tea, trappy, gonna come to your house, chef your mama. Fishy tea, trappy in a bento, cooking up the grill, making money. Me and Pop this splashies, trapping over B, gonna run up on your block, chef you will take a go, effort in the bento. Fill my Gasadowski, immigration chicken. Back to boatline, healing up with Romadowski. They're gonna be making bangers, living in the kitchen, effing on the baby Stacy. She said, don't you want to saba? Fishy tea, trappy, gonna come to your house, chef your mama. R.I.P. my brother, till I know something. He got caught lacking by the ops, they shift them up. If I catch the ops lacking, I'm gonna shut them up. Send them 6 feet down. She said, don't you want to saba? Fishy tea, trappy, gonna go to your house, chef your mama.